Hey, if you have a cleaning business or if you're thinking about starting a cleaning business, come on out to the Clean Biz Network Conference, June 29th and June 30th, okay? Go ahead and get your tickets, get your hair done, go ahead and book your nails, your hair, get your outfit, book your room, okay? Because this is a 2-day event. You need a vacation anyway, okay? If you're struggling in your cleaning business and you've been thinking about giving up lately and you don't know how to create systems, you're struggling trying to find clients, this is the conference you need to be to so that you can rub shoulders with some of these entrepreneurs that are doing way better. They have already exceeded all those problems that you're going through, and you can talk to them, right? This is your chance. You need to book your tickets today, June 29th, June 30th. I'll be out there. It's hosted by Mr. A.J. Simmons, okay, and a host of other high-level cleaning business entrepreneurs, man. This is an event that you do not want to miss, okay? Make sure you guys get your tickets. Click the link in description. Get your tickets now, okay? All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to leave y'all alone. Bye.